endoplasmic reticulum. It is of two types, RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, it is on the basis of presence of ribosome. Then all over smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum, they are made up of three parts: cisternae, tubule, third is vesicle. Vesicles are this type of structure. Then tubules, this type of structures. These are tubules. Cisternae, this type of structure, which are branched and which are interconnected. If it is rough, draw the ribosome. If it is smooth, then these are devoid of ribosome. Ribosomes are absent. These are the cisternae of rough endoplasmic reticulum, and these are the cisternae of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Then the function of both rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they also differ. What is the function of rough endoplasmic reticulum? It provides the pores or the space for the attachment of ribosome. Provides space for the attachment of ribosome. Second more important function, it can also modify polypeptide chain. It can modify the polypeptide. Polypeptide का मतलब होता है प्रोटीन. प्रोटीन की चेन को थोड़ा बहुत मॉडिफाई कर सकता है ये एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, that is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Why is it called reticulum? Because it is network like structure. If we talk about the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it helps in the synthesis of lipids, proteins, and our membrane are also made up of lipid and protein. So we call that it helps in membrane biogenesis. Membrane biogenesis, that is the formation of membrane, because our membrane, they are made up of lipid and protein, so it helps in membrane biogenesis. Next function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum is detoxification. What is the meaning of detoxification? That is conversion of harmful chemical into harmless, and this function is mostly performed by liver, by the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Then endoplasmic reticulum, it is also called membrane system because it forms the membrane in the cell. It is of two types, rough and smooth. Rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they are made up of cisternae, tubule and vesicle. Then cisternae are this type of structure which are interconnected, and if we talk about the cisternae of rough endoplasmic reticulum, on these ribosomes are present. Ribosomes are protein factories, and what is the main function of this endoplasmic reticulum? It forms the vesicles, and in these vesicles it stores the product which are synthesized. It helps in synthesis of the products. If we talk about the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it synthesizes lipid and protein, both join to form membrane. This is called membrane biogenesis. Secondly, detoxification, that is conversion of harmful product into harmless product, and this is the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and this function is performed in liver. Next we talk about Golgi complex.